Hi, lovely subscribers. I hope you are doing good. Yeah, today we are going to look at how to adjust the time. Something like this is the time is now 11:23. Yes, so how to adjust it to look something like this? Yeah, at first it was like this, something like this. Yes. So we are going to look at how to move it that way. Yes, it is simple and easy like this, something like that, and something like this too. It is simple and easy. Yes, it is simple and also easy, and it does not require any complicated steps. So now let's dive right in. But before we dive in, why not subscribing to this channel? Subscribe so that others will also benefit. Don't forget to share the videos too, and leave your comment in the comment section, and I'll come there and reply you. All right, let's move right in. So the first thing that we're going to do is to go to settings. Yeah, so this is the settings app that has the new iOS 26. Let's move to settings. So after moving to settings, what you're going to do is you're going to look for wallpaper. Yes, wallpaper. Yes, wallpaper. So after finding wallpaper, just tap on it and it will take you to this particular place. Yes, so now let's tap on add new wallpaper. Add new wallpaper. Now let's tap on it. Alright, so now it has opened another page for us. Now when we check right up here, we have photos, photo shuffled, we have emoji, color, astronomy and weather. Astronomy and weather. So we're going to choose photos. Yes, because we want to add photos to our home screen. Yes, like a picture, something like that. So after that, then we look at how to add a tap to switch wallpaper. It is simple and also easy, and it does not require any complicated step. All right, let's use this, something like this. Let me use this picture. Let me use this picture. It seems I have a picture here. All right, I have a picture here. Let me use this particular picture. I really love this particular. It's very nice and I like it. All right, so this is the picture. This is the picture. So now look at it carefully. So you see, at first the picture was something like this. So when I decided to decrease or readjust it to make it smaller in size, the time just automatically move to that way. Yes, at first it was like this. So now you can adjust it here by holding the down right edge here, this place. Yes, and adjust it to suit your taste. Yes, adjust it to suit your. Now when you try changing the language of the time, assuming it's English and you want to change it to Arabic or a different language, please, it's not going to work. Yes, it's not going to work. This is what I'm saying. Okay, now let's tap on let me choose Arabic. All right, let's tap on this thing here. Easy. Now we cannot adjust it again. So you see, yes, but when you change it to its normal one, we can adjust it to suit our taste. So now let's try it again. When we change, it's not going to work again. Yes, you see, good. So there is no feature here that will help us to adjust it to suit our taste. But when you set it to its original fonts or original language, it's going to help us for us to adjust it to suit our taste. It is simple and also easy. So now we can also go ahead and add widgets. Yes, we can also go ahead and add the widgets. Now let's add the widget to it. So always God, let me add this and let me add TikTok. All right, so I have my widgets here and I really love it. It's very nice. Her costume, the color, everything, it's matched up here, and I really love this particular wallpaper. I love the background too as well. Yeah, so I can even scroll from left to change the background. Yes, of it. Yes, so to any color, to suit your taste, any color to suit your taste. But I really like this one. All right, so now let's look at how to create a tap to switch wallpaper. So when you are done, what I'm going to do is to tap on add, and tap on add. So you say it's saving. Now it says set as wallpaper pair. Now the pair means you are setting it as a lock screen wallpaper and also home screen wallpaper. Yes, so now let's tap on set as wallpaper pair. All right, so we are done. So now currently this is our wallpaper. So now let's move to our home screen and let's see. So this is our wallpaper. Good. So this is how to create that wallpaper. Yes, you see, so we can adjust it anyway. Yes, so after generating everything in settings wallpaper, yes, now this is the final result of it. This is the final result of it. Yes, so when I tap to switch wallpaper, I'm helps iPhone users to use their phone simple and easy. Yes, simple and easy, and it does not require any complicated step. Done. So to create on what? Done. So we are done with everything. We are done with it. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video and share. So whenever I release new video, you will be notified.